Let's go off of what we've just talked about. Finding the solution set for an equation. Okay, so how to find solution sets for this equation here. X squared minus 9x equals 20. Notice that, you know what, let's make it negative 20. What would x have to be in order to satisfy this equation there? Okay, so that's what we're looking for. There might be two answers here. That's why it's a solution set. Okay. So, step one, we're going to get the right side to be 0, like the previous question that we went over. So let's get the right side of the equation to be 0. Okay. You can do that by getting rid of the negative 20. Okay. So x squared minus 9x equals negative 20. What's the opposite of minus 20? Add 20, right? So let's add 20 to both sides of the equation. And then we'll end up with x squared minus 9x plus 20 equals 0. Got it? Step 2. We're going to factor this polynomial here to find the answer. Okay? So we're going to factor the polynomial. Okay? Break this guy up by doing the opposite of FOILing. Okay, so I'm going to set up my factors. X and x. I don't know the signs yet. We need to ask ourselves, what two numbers multiply to get positive 20 and then add to get negative 9? Not as easy as it sounds. Okay, so first thing that comes to mind is 5 and 4. Right? 5 times 4 is 20. I could put down plus 5 and plus 4. But that would not give me negative 9. Right? Because 5 plus 4 is positive 9. So I'm going to make it minus 5 and minus 4. This way, negative 5 plus negative 4 will give me negative 9. But we need to still check to make sure that we still get positive 20. So 5 times 4 is 20. Negative times negative is positive. So we're in business. This is equal to 0. Okay, just bringing that down. Our goal is to find out what x is. Remember, in order to get 0, one of these guys need to be 0. I don't know which one they are, so I'll set both of them to be 0. Okay, so x minus 5 is 0, x minus 4 is 0. Because I know that 0 times 0 is 0, right? Okay, so let's get x by itself. I'm going to undo this minus 5. So adding both 5 to both sides, I have x equals 5. X here equals 4. So I'm hoping that these are the two solutions that I'm looking for. Okay? 5 and 4. So I can plug it in. 5 squared minus 9 times 5 would it equal to negative 20? Well, 5 squared is 5 times 5, 25. 9 times 5 is 45. Equals negative 20, does it? 25 minus 45, believe it or not, is negative 20, equals negative 20. I like my chances here. Okay, so I'm going to let you substitute 4 into that equation just to make sure that our solution set is indeed 5 and 4.